The drone ascends to reach its height, a clock tower bathed in afternoon sunlight. But not only my drone is flying today, a flock of pigeons are heading this way. I intended this video to be cinematic, but looks like it may be over-dramatic. A venue recommended by Eyes of Allen. My drone may end up in the grip of a talon. Massively outnumbered, I consider my plight. Maybe it's time